Hello, I'm Muhammad Shafiq and I'm a chemical engineer in the automobile industry.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Isha. I'm a chemical engineer in chemical plant.
I am Izzatul. I am chemical engineer in improving your lifestyle.
Hi, I'm Cheryl. I'm a chemical engineer in research.
Engineer is the person who solves the problem.
Engineer is a person who improvises life.
Engineer is a person who puts in ideas and innovation to benefit life.
Engineer is a person who applies science, mathematics, and physics into our daily lives.
Every machines and vehicles have faults.
Every house has problems.
Every plant has defects.
Every problem needs to be solved.
As a plant engineer, I have to get involved in the combustion side of boiler, where I have to deal with the combustion side to maximize the efficiency and also to minimize the cost. I also have to deal with the new method to prevent the overheat of machineries and also to prevent casualties in the plant.
As a chemical engineer in the automobile industry, we have to cooperate with the electrical and electronic engineers, the mechanical engineers, the material science engineers, and the computer engineers. Our job scope is to improve the efficiency of the car engine, and in order to improve the efficiency of car engine, we need to apply some of the knowledge of the thermodynamics.
Researcher has to deal with the ideas from people or so-called clients, then apply a bit of technology inside the ideas and to generate it in the sample size in the laboratory. Then after the sample size is generated from bigger size to big scale, then the researcher such as a researcher like me will be doing the finalizing work, which is to find a most effective way to make it more economic viable.
The major problems existed in most houses are to preserve food so that it can last longer. Also, to keep cool temperature in the house. To solve the problems, chemical engineers have to design the most effective and efficient air conditioner and refrigerators.
In the automobile industry, in order to improvise the efficiency of heat engine, the concept of the second law of thermodynamics comes in. Before the findings of Sadi Carnot, people considered the efficiency of the heat engine was dependent on the working fluid used. The efficiency of the heat engine is actually dependent just on two temperatures, which is source temperature, which is the hot body from where the heat engine absorbs heat, and the sink temperature where the heat engine gives up the exhaust heat.
Why do we do research? For example, everyone loves sport, but muscle tense up, muscle injuries or ankle injuries are inevitable. That is why people will come to us with an idea so that to suggest to have this kind of packing so that to reduce the pain of their muscle or ankle. Thus, thermodynamic principle, the knowledge of thermodynamic principle is very important here. Exothermic and endothermic principle is applied inside this research.
From now on, I will explain about the application of thermodynamics in plants. As an example, I will use the thermal power plant, which is it uses the first fundamental law of thermodynamics, which is conservation of energy. The thermal machine will convert the chemical energy by burning fuel in combustion chamber. Even though the energy is transferred from one form to another, but the overall amount of energy is still conserved, as stated in the first law of thermodynamics.
Refrigerator and air conditioner are special devices that transfer heat from low temperature medium to a high temperature medium. They apply second law of thermodynamics. The working fluid used in the refrigeration cycle is called a refrigerant. Basically, the refrigerant such as refrigerant 134A takes in the heat from warm air in the room and cool it down through the coils behind the refrigerator or aircon by rejecting the heat to the surrounding medium.
As a chemical engineer who applies the knowledge of thermodynamics, I draw upon the powerful chemical science available to solve engineering problems to help benefit the society.
As a chemical engineer that applies the knowledge of thermodynamics, I can make an intelligent decision that can protect and enhance the quality of life on Earth.
As a chemical engineer who applies thermodynamics, I am involved in finding new ways to minimize the waste and pollution to preserve the environment.
As a chemical chemical engineer who applies the knowledge of thermodynamics, I will impact the environment by creating more products in more areas to benefit lives.